Okay, so now let us discuss the probability of simple events. So, na-discuss ko naman na yung probability. So, pag sinabi po nating probability, it is a branch of mathematics that deals with chance. So, ngayon naman po, pag-uusapan natin is yung probability ng simple events. Pag sinabi po natin simple events, one experiment, one event. So, definition, the probability of an event is a ratio. Pag sinabi po natin ratio, it is the comparison of two quantities and ang operation na ginagamit is division. So, the probability of an event is a ratio that compares the number of favorable outcomes. So, pag sinabi po natin favorable outcomes, ang sinasabi po nito is yung event or yung kinalabasan kapag ginawa natin yung activity or experiment. So, to the number of possible outcomes. So, possible outcomes, ito naman yung sinasabi dito is the sample space or the set of all possible outcomes. So, kaya ang magiging formula natin is the probability of event is equals to n of event divided by n of sample space. Again, P is represented by the probability and E is the event is equals to n of event divided by n of sample space. So let us have an example. Okay, number 1, a coin is tossed. Find the probability of getting ahead. So, ilan ba ang sample space sa pag nag-toss tayo ng coin? Diba? We have head and tail lang naman. So, meaning, our probability of event is equals to yung event natin, yung nakuha natin is head daw. So, ilan ba yung head dun kapag nag-toss tayo ng coin? Diba? Isa lang naman yung head dun. So, meaning we have 1 sa numerator divided by the sample space. So, ano ba yung sample space ng toss? Diba? Na-discuss ko naman, that is head and tail. So, ilan yun? Dalawa. So, meaning we have 1/2. 1/2 or 50%. So, yung probability na makuha natin is head kapag nag-toss tayo ng coin is 1/2 or 50%. Okay? Okay, let us have an example pa. Next, number 2, what is the probability of rolling a prime number on a number cube? So, pag sinabi po nating prime number, ito yung isa lang yung factor niya, which is 1 times the number. Okay po? So, hindi na siya maiisipan ng factor. Isa lang, 1 lang yung factor niya. So, ano-ano ba yon? Kapag sa rolling a die, yan, die. Wala pala tayong die na sulat. So, die. So, sa die, meron tayong 6, di ba? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, sa 1 to 6 na yon, ano-ano yung mga prime number doon? So, we have 2, 3, 5. May correct? 2, 3, 5. So, 2, 3, 5 is a prime number kasi isa lang yung ano niya. Isa lang yung factor niya. 1 lang. 2, 3, 5. So, meaning, we have the event natin dito. So, the probability of event is equals to 3 kasi 3, 2, 3, 5. Yun lang yung prime numbers. All over yung lahatan, sample space, kung ilan yung meron sa die, we have 6. So, get the greatest common factor. Kapag pwede po yung simplify. So, these two numbers divisible both by 3. So, let us divide. So, 3 divides 3, that is 1. All over 6 divides 3, that is 2. So, the probability of getting a prime number is 1/2. Okay po. So, let us have one more example pa about cards. Number 3, so meron tayong situational dito, meron tatlo. So, number 3, a playing card is drawn at random from a standard deck of 52 playing cards. Find the probability of drawing. Pag sinabi po drawing, pipili ha, hindi literal na magdodraw ka. Pipili po sa probability. So, sa diamond, meron tayong sa deck of cards, meron tayong 13 na diamond. So, lalagay natin sa taas, 13 all over. Yung kalahatan, we have 52. And then simplify these two numbers divisible both by 13. And then divide. 13 divides 13, that is 1. All over 52 divides 13, that is 4. So that is the probability of getting a diamond. Next is the black card. So meron tayong 26 na black cards sa 52 na cards. So meaning sa taas we have 26 all over. Yung lahatan 52. These two numbers divisible both by 26. Then divide. 26 divides 1. 26 divides 26, that is 1. All over 52 divides 26, that is 2. So the probability of getting black card is 1/2. Next is the queen. So sa queen, meron tayong 4. Okay, so kung alam niyo yung mga bara-baraha, alam niyo na yan. So meron tayong 4 all over. Yung total na cards, we have 52. And then these two numbers divisible both by 4. So that is 1 over 30. So, alam niyo na ba kung paano ito nakukuha itong mga yan? Kung saan po sila divisible. Kasi meron po tayong tinatawag na greatest common factor. Okay, papaikliin nyo. Kung divisible sila, simplify lang ng simplify. Okay? Okay, so yan po ang ating topic, the probability of simple events. Thank you for watching.